Hey guys, well this week we're going to be scientists, and one of the things that scientists do is make observations. Since we've been talking about plants and labeling plants and the different parts of a plant, I thought that it would be a good idea to be observing how a plant grows. And so what we're going to do this week is we're going to go ahead and plant some seeds, and then we're going to make observations throughout the week so that you can write those observations and draw your observations throughout the week. So some of the things we're going to need is we're going to need seeds. What Miss Garcia has in her pantry are pinto beans. These are seeds. If you have black beans, you can use black beans. If you have lima beans, you can use lima beans. But Miss Garcia has pinto beans, and that's what we're going to be using today. You also need a cup. Oh, sorry, you need water. I have water right here. You also need a clear cup. Why do we need a clear cup? Because we need to be able to make the observations, okay? If you don't have a clear cup, you can also use a Ziploc bag. It will work. And if you don't have that, you can use a bottle of water. And what I did is I cut the top part of it. Please don't go cutting it yourself. Have your mom or daddy cut it for you. And here you have a clear cup. All right. You will also need some napkins, okay? All right, now we're going to turn around and get started on our experiment. Bianca, my daughter, is going to help us with this experiment. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta grab your napkin. Very good. You're gonna crumble it up and put it in the cup. And if you were using this one, you would do the same thing. Just crumble it up in there. Now you're gonna grab about 4 or 5 beans, and what you wanna do is you wanna put them around the inside of the cup between the napkin and the cup. And we'll see how Bianca is doing it. You don't want to put them too close together because it won't give them enough space to grow. So see how she's got one there, one all the way over there. Now you want to use the other side. Very good, Bianca. And one more. And the reason we want to do a few beans is because sometimes not all the beans will grow. And you will notice that in your observations. Now we want to add some water. Make sure you add just a little bit of water. You don't want to make it too moist. You want the napkin to be moist just enough to where it's touching the beans. See, it's not soaking, okay? And we are done. Now, what's one very important thing that all plants need to grow?
You need to put it by the window for the sun to hit the plant.
Exactly. So plants need sun to be able to grow. So what you want to do is you want to take your cup and put it by a window. Or if you trust putting it outside in your balcony, you can also do that as well. So good luck, guys. I am excited to see what your observations are going to look like. Make sure you write what you're observing and you draw what your beans are looking like on a daily basis. All right, have fun. See you next time.